guys, it's gonna be like 30 seconds literally, so like I'm gonna do like the ending kind of. The ending, yeah. Oh, it's been a very nice day. Yeah, but we gotta get to sleep. The baby's already fallen asleep. Yeah, you could go ahead and sleep. I'm gonna go ahead and clean all of this up. Oh, thank you. You're so nice. Hug. Okay, good night. Good night. Okay, so we gotta clean up the cups. These go in here. Okay, put those away. Put this away. Okay, perfect. Now, okay, put the cap over you guys. Don't worry, they can breathe because they have like air, not air, sorry, like a fan, so yeah. And there's like tiny windows, so yeah. Okay, we're in. Good night. Good night.